Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will explain you about delete data with data loader. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about how to delete data with data loader in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. Do you know that Salesforce has no functionality to delete multiple records at once? We can add extra functionality or app exchange or something like that. Then only we can delete multiple record at once. Otherwise, the Salesforce does not provide us the functionality to delete multiple record at once. So, if we want to delete multiple record or data at once, what we need to do is we need to export the record with their record IDs and then use the delete functionality from the data loader. So for deleting the data from the data loader, firstly we move to our data loader. For opening the data loader, click on the start menu and then enter the data loader in the search box and click on the data loader 59.0.0 and here we go and our Salesforce data loader 59.0.0 is open. Now we want to delete the data. So we click on the data loader and our first step is login step. Click on the password authentication and here we go. Our username is already filled and we want to fill the password. So enter the password which is used for entering the Salesforce account. So enter the password here and here we are entering the password and click on the login button and here we go. This verifying the Salesforce username and password. But error occurred. Check your username and password if you still cannot log in. But our username and password is correct. So why this show the error? Because when we try to log in into the Salesforce from some external source, so username and password are no sufficient. So we also need the third thing that is the security token. So from where we get the security token? We get the security token from the Salesforce Lightning Gold. So move to our Lightning version. So here is the Salesforce Lightning Gold. So click on the profile picture and under this profile picture we can see there is a user setting present. Click on this user setting and here we go. The user setting page is open and under this page the option present reset my security token. Click on this and our reset my security token page is open and under this page we can see reset security token button is present. Click on this button and after that we can see we send a new security token to the email address from your account this. So for getting the security token go to your Gmail and here the Salesforce can send a new security token. Get the security token from there. So go to your Gmail and here we go. We can see our security token is shown under the mail and copy the security token. This security token is a case sensitive. So copy this and paste in your data loader. So paste this security token after the password. So paste this and then click on the login button. Here this verifying the Salesforce username and password. And here we go. We successfully log in into our data loader. And here we move to our next step that is the select data object. And here we are selecting the contact object and after that choose the CSV file that we are exported and here we select this file extract data to and then click on the next button and here we go this initializing our Salesforce object and CSV file and here we go the CSV file has 92 rows which initializations succeed and base size is 200 and the start at row 0 current API usage for the org is 57 and the API limit for the org is 15,000 and the API version is 59.0 that is the Salesforce data loader 59.0.0 version and we hit the OK button and here we go we move to our next step that is the mapping step and here we can map our CSV column header to the Salesforce object field name. So for this, we click on the create or edit a map button, and here we go. We come to our mapping dialog box. Here we match the Salesforce object field to our CSV column header. So we click on the auto map field to columns, and here we go. Our ID field is mapped successfully, matched successfully, and then we hit the OK button. And here we go. We come back to our mapping page, and our ID field is mapped, and all the fields, other fields are not mapped, only ID field is mapped. And then we click on the next button, and here we come to our next step, that is the last step, which is the finish step. And here we can see a folder field present, which is automatically filled with the desktop link. But if we want to change this desktop link, then we click on the browse option, and then select any other folder in which you want to add the data. But we want to add the data on the desktop, that's why we select the desktop folder and then hit the select folder option, and then we click on the finish button. And here we go, a warning messages pop up. You have chosen to delete existing records. Click yes to begin. Do you want to proceed? If you want to proceed, then click on the yes button. Otherwise, click on the no button. We want to proceed, that's why we click on the yes button. And the another warning messages pop up, that is, the number of records allowed in your recycle bin is limited. The action you are about to take may cause irreversible data loss to the records that may exist in your recycle bin. Are you sure you want to continue? If you want to continue, then click on yes, otherwise click on no button. But we want to continue that, so we click on the yes button. And here we go, our loading delete process information proceeds processed 99 of 99 total records in 1 second, and there are success data and 12 errors rate 356,400 records per hour. Estimated time to complete is 0 minute and 0 second. Now the operation finished. The operation has successfully finished. There are successful deleted and 12 errors. Now see the errors. Go to your desktop and see the success and error, and click on OK button. And we go to our desktop and see the success. And here we go. We can see our success. There is a 81 item that is deleted, and there is a 12 item that are not deleted. It shows the error. Now move to our Salesforce org, and here we go. We click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the app launcher and click on the sales button, and our sales page is open. Now click on the contacts tab, and our contact page is open. Now click on the drop down arrow of the recent view and click on the all contacts option, and here we go. We can see only 12 items are shown under all contacts. The 12 item only show the error, that's why they are not deleted and seen under the all contexts. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.